Welcome. Did Bruce Lee train himself to death? Some say he died from weakness. Others say he died from strength. He pushed too far. Bruce trained like a man possessed, stretching, kicking, and punching beyond exhaustion. His notebooks shows no rest there. He obsessed over power, speed, perfection. Many doctors warn him about fatigue and dehydration. On his final day, his brain swelled, likely from stress, heat, and overexertion. Bruce didn't die from training. He died because he couldn't stop. He chased mastery to the edge of life itself. Did Bruce Lee betray Wing Chun?